بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله أما بعد. Today's lesson is lesson number 20, page 48. Respected students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If we look at the top of page 48, we can see the letter Ba, Ta, Tha, Noon and Ya. And directly underneath these letters, so underneath Ba, you have another shape of Ba. Underneath the letter Ta, you have another shape of Ta. Underneath the letter Tha, there is another shape of Tha. Underneath the letter Noon, there is another shape of the letter Noon. And underneath the Ya, there is another shape of the letter Ya. The letters on the top are all different letters, but they have the same shape. And the letters at the bottom, again, are all separate letters, all different letters, but their shape is the same. Although the shapes are the same, but every letter is different according to the number of dots and according to where the dots are placed on the top or underneath. So please keep in mind the different shapes of each letter, and inshallah we shall start box number 1. Noon, ba, ya. Noon, ba, ya. Box number 2. Mim, ta, mim. Mim, ta, mim. Box number 3. Alif, noon, tha, ya. Alif, noon, tha, ya. Box number 4. Ghain, noon, ya. Ghain, noon, ya. And box number 5. Ha, ya, hamza. Ha, ya, hamza. Now in box number 5, there is a ya. But on top of that ya, there is a hamza. So this letter will actually be pronounced as a hamza, not a ya. Therefore, we read it ha, ya, hamza. Okay, continuing. Next, we have the letter ba. And then you have another shape of the letter ba underneath that. And then you have a third shape of the letter ba underneath that. So you have 3 bas. Then you have the letter ta. And underneath the letter ta, you have 2 other shapes of the letter ta. When you have the letter tha, and then underneath that, you have 2 more thas of different shapes. Likewise, you have noon and 2 other shapes of noons. And then you have the letter ya and 2 more other shapes of the letter ya. So please keep in mind and try to remember the different shapes of each letter. Box number 6. Alif, ba, ya. Alif, ba, ya. Box number 7. Ta, mim, ta. Ta, mim, ta. Box number 8. Tha, mim. Tha, mim. Box number 9. Alif, dal, noon, ya. Alif, dal, noon, ya. Box number 10. Mim, ra, ya, mim. Mim, ra, ya, mim. After this, we have the letter Jim, and then another shape of the letter Jim. Then is followed by the letter Ha, and another shape underneath it of the letter Ha. And then followed by the letter Kha, and then another shape of the letter Kha. So we have 2 Jims, 2 Has, and 2 Khas. Please look at the shapes carefully and try to remember the shapes. Box number 11. Mim, waw, jim. Mim, waw, jim. Box number 12. Noon, waw, ha. Noon, waw, ha. Box number 13. Qaf, ra, ha. Qaf, ra, ha. Box number 14. Ra, waw, ha. Ra, waw, ha. And finally, box number 15. Ba, alif, kha. Ba, alif, kha. That's the end of the page. Jazakallah khairan. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was beneficial. Please practice. Try to remember the different shapes of each letters, and also please practice the correct pronunciation. Until the next lesson, Jazakallah khairan. Take care. Look after yourselves. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.